Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the Indev build matches the mod. That prevents wasted effort. Once done, back up your save and config so you can revert if anything breaks. Next, install the specific shader pack, texture patch, and the mod loader required by Azure. You do this now because missing one component causes errors later. Make sure file names match exactly and that the mod loader detects them in its plugins list before moving to the next phase. You now drop the Azure files into the mods directory, preserving the original folder structure so the loader can find assets. Once done, open config. Enable and enable the Azure-specific flags and set the resource paths to your backed-up folders. Run the game in windowed mode and watch the console logs. They show missing assets or syntax errors immediately. If a plugin fails to load, the log gives the file name and line, which you then fix before continuing. You finish by verifying in-game, spawn the Azure item, or check the UI indicator to confirm success. If the game crashes or Azure doesn't appear, revert to your backup and then add mods one at a time to isolate the culprit, because incremental changes reveal conflicts quickly. Make sure to keep a concise log of each edit with timestamps so you can backtrack. Finally, if persistent errors remain, check the loader's compatibility list and update.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.